NDI HX3, 120 FPS, AIDA's new PTZ camera has it all. Let's see how these technologies can be integrated with vMix to create a high-speed vMix replay workflow. And a quick look at the back of the unit shows us that we've got serial control, audio input, a nice little loop to connect it to truss, standard HDMI and 3G SDI connectors, our PoE, NDI Ethernet port, and 12 volt if you're still into that kind of thing. We also have a Scarhoy XE8 to control the replay speed back in vMix. So there's T-bar, jog shuttle, PoE connection. And we also have our infamous kinetic sculpture back once again to show us how smooth particular playback is in vMix. So I'm going to pop here into vMix, and I'm going to go into the settings, and I can see that this NDI input is coming in at 120 FPS, 1920 by 1080, and I am going to mark back 15 seconds. So I'm going to create a clip, and I'm going to play it, and it's going to start out at 0% because I'm controlling that using the T-bar. Then I bring it up to 25%, which is giving us 30 FPS playback, and then I can bring it up to 50%, and that's giving us 60 FPS playback because we have 120 FPS to play with here, and I can control the speed of the playback using the T-bar, and I can bring in our shot box. So let's zoom into zone 4, and we can see the players running across here to the goal, which is in zone 5, and then I'm going to stop playback for a second to talk a little bit about this other guy who's going to run in and knock the ball away, and the ball tumbles away into zone 6, and then, let's see how the whole thing plays out. So we've got a lot of control to very easily control the playback using the shot box, the speed of the T-bar, to create a really compelling replay workflow using AIDA's PTZ camera. It's 120 FPS, vMix running on the Switchblade server, so it's a variety of compelling elements. And that is how high-speed replay works in vMix with AIDA's new 120 FPS camera. It's a really compelling solution, and if you have any questions about it, feel free to reach out to us here at US Broadcast at usbroadcast.co or any of our social media. Once again, I'm Eric Pratt, and thanks for